G'day everyone, Alex Ryan here and welcome back to another video. If you're looking to sell on Amazon, if you're looking to start a business or a bit of a side hustle on Amazon, you are in the right place. We will get started in just a second. We're going to be talking about some of the important things you need to do before you start an Amazon store. So before you even think about spending money paying a supplier overseas to ship your goods to Amazon warehouse, right, you've got to do this one thing, and I'm going to reveal that one thing in this video. So let's get started. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products and fingers crossed hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. You know, some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire? Welcome back everyone. So it's good to have you here in the studio. And what is that one thing that you need to do if you're looking to sell on Amazon? Okay, if you're looking to build your business on Amazon, it's something called sample testing. And I'm going to show you right now, actually. I've got all this junk on my table here, except my book. That's not junk. So sample testing, what is it? So essentially it is, you contact a supplier. Well, first of all, you nail down your product, right? You find out the product that you're going to bring in. Now, if you need help with that, connect with us because we've got a whole bunch of free reports. We've actually got a list of 50 hottest products right now that are selling on Amazon that have very little or no competition. And some of these niches are quite good in terms of turnover per month. So you find, let's say for example, you found your product, right? And you're happy with your product and this is all good, right? The next step is connecting with the supplier. And it's a bit of back and forward. They want to tell you what the price per unit is. They might tell you, how long it's going to ship and all that kind of stuff. Now, if you're happy with your supplier, the next step would be to sample test. And it's essentially saying, hey guys, send me one sample over. Send me one product over. And usually, this is DHL, right? This came yesterday. I'm always looking for products myself. I do drop shipping, I sell wholesale. I have been importing now for about 10 years. All right, buying, selling goods since 2003. And I don't just do this. I actually do this. I walk the talk. I don't just talk it and teach it. I actually do it myself. And it came in this. So open this bag, right? It came in a little box like this. Didn't look that good, right? But you can sort of see here, that's the box, but they've got a little business card in there. But this is the actual sample. So this is a product, one of the products that I'm bringing in right now. We're thinking of bringing in, right? So it is a charger. Well, it's basically a phone mount. So for your mobile phone in a car, and you put it in a cup holder, right? And then you put your phone in there. I don't have my phone here. Do we have my phone over there? No, you don't. Okay. All right. So you put your phone in there. You press a button. How does the button work? There you go. Oh, opens up, nice and sleek. You put your phone in that, and then you attach that to that somehow. Okay, this is my first time doing it as well. So there you go. Awesome. Somehow. It works somehow like that, right? But the point of this is you look at the quality, right? You want to look at the quality. You want to see whether or not this is going to be a quality supply, right? And usually, occasionally, I get 2 or 3 samples from different factories. This one I'm actually relatively happy with. It's very sleek. It's got a nice little cover on the phone case, and not a lot can really go wrong with this particular product. So I'm actually relatively happy with this particular product. So I'm going to, there we go. I'm going to place an order, and hold your phone. Okay, so this is important. So now you take photos, you try it out for yourself, you take heaps of photos, right? Because you can use this in your marketing and also on Amazon. You want to start taking pictures of this, because when you list your product on Amazon, this is the product you're selling, so you've got to have good photos. All right, so guys, don't forget you need to sample test. So find your product, connect with the supplier, sample test, and then you can start placing your orders and getting them to send it directly to the Amazon warehouse. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're looking to start a business on Amazon, if you're looking to create a bit of a side business or a side hustle, and your biggest challenge is finding hot products, then look no further. Guys, I've got a free report and a free video on my website. The website link is below, and it gives you the 10 hottest products that are selling right now on Amazon. I don't hold back. I basically give you the 10 hottest products right now with little or no competition, and these products are actually doing some good numbers. So check it out, guys. Thanks for joining me. My name is Alex Ryan, and please like, share, and comment on the video and share the love. I would appreciate that. See you guys. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye for now.